Hello everybody, you're probably wondering what we're doing today. Got that grill epoxy back out. This rod right here was a 7-foot medium action Shakespeare. Had 2.5 foot broke off of it. So we're gonna take this piece, we're gonna make it a 7-foot rod again. So what we're doing now is we're mixing up the epoxy. This epoxy is really good for putting rods together because it's got a flexibility to it. So what we're going to do is we're just going to mix this around just a little bit, get it all fixed up. I hope everybody's doing good. Thank y'all for tuning in to Wayno's Rod House. Hope y'all like and subscribe. But this is going to be as fast as we can do it, because I know y'all don't like long videos, y'all like to skip. So now that we got that mixed up, we're gonna take that epoxy, we're just gonna smear it all over this here rod, broken rod. Gonna get it on there real good. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this rod back together and we're gonna make it a 7-footer again, with the same medium action. So now it don't matter, just slide it up on there, get it up there as far as you can get it, and once that dries, you'll be able to put eyes on it, and you'll have a good rod without having to go to the store and buy one. Get some alcohol out, get this cleaned up, if I can find my alcohol, and then we're gonna set that aside and just let it dry. Here you go. That's all it is to it, and then just let that dry. So I'm going to show you a little something else. Bring this camera a little closer. Now right here where it's put together, what's going to happen is when this thing is dry, right here where it's put together, it's going to get sanded. And once it gets sanded, and I get it to where I like it, I'll take it and I'll put an eye over that just like that. And you will never know that this rod has been broken. Thank you for tuning in. We love y'all. Please like and subscribe.